What's up, guys? Today, I'm gonna be playing some crazy games, and I did not mean to say what's up, guys. I meant to say what's up, Ragers. Yes, sir. I'm gonna click on cars. Escape Road, Skyriders, Racing. This looks pretty good, bro. I'm gonna play this. Oh, I love this game. We're playing this next. We're gonna play. Fuck!
Wrong pose, buddy.
What's up, guys? I decided that we're not playing what is it? This game anymore. We're playing this because it looked fun. And then we're playing City Bus Driver at like 7 minutes. 7 minute mark. Yeah, I guess we can.
No, like we're lonely right now. I'm not saying like relationship kind of lonely. I know that is my life.
Apex fun.
Ah.
That was so tough.
Shut the fuck up. Anyways.
Robert,
Ooh.
am I gonna be the one that gets to do the robbery? Yay!
Wait. What was her name?
Hey.
What was her name?
Let's start. I'm ready.
Wait, we can have presidents? If who's the president?
No, Billy! I didn't mean to do that, Bob. Okay, now we're gonna go. No. Billy, watch out! Billy, I didn't mean to. I gotta watch out. Go this way. Oh, oopsies. I cannot go this way because I need to wait.
Oh my god, that is beautiful. It's blue like yeah.
I'm locked in.
Oh my
I don't know if y'all hear this, but the music is actually so tense. Ow. It's really cheap music though. I'm about to crash into Aquarius John. Okay, but I'm getting that little ass car back. Nah. Think you gonna run into me like that? Nah, that's not happening. Bro, my guy is invincible. No, Bob! Bob, no! Bob, no! No! Move out the way! Hey, Aquarius. Hey, Bob. Sorry for crashing into you earlier. Right over you.
You see my flashlight?
What just happened?
Behind you.
Am I going to rob something? Wait, why do I look like him? Oh, it's the Aquarius and Bob. Hi, I've got a new shortcut. Well, what is the idea? Let's make a robbery game to earn money. Nice, let's start to win our dreams. Yo, this is actually W.
Who's he?
Hey. W's, we gotta go next. Let's go. Robbery, this is actually W. We need guns for doing robbery. Military have brought some new weapons in Army base. Yes, let's take from them what belongs to us. Let's go back in the car. Hey, that guy looks like a nurse. military have brought some weapons in army base. Let's take from them what belongs to us. Tunnel. Short tunnel. Tunnel time. No tunnel time. Tunnel time. Ah! Sorry. Gotta go across the bridge. This is so important. What are y'all doing? Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Drift. This is the best drift. No, 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 watch out, watch out. I'm sorry, bro. I didn't mean to. Move out the way. Move. Here we are. Go, go, go. Boom, 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 boom. Yo, this is actually crazy. No way we wiped their whole team. Let's go. Yes, sir. No way I'm getting hyped over this cheap ball game. Oh no! Frick, we gotta run. Oh no. We gotta run. Military is chasing us. Let's hide the weapons before we get caught. Okay. That's a military man. He doesn't even know what's going on. Bro didn't even hear any of the gunshots. Marketplace. We're in the town. Skirt. Let me squeeze past y'all. It's on fire. Stop, guys. We need to stop right here. We need to hide the weapons. These levels are like they're like short. I think we're gonna be playing this for the whole entire 15 minutes. Like this is actually fun. And we're making a part 2. Now we need some fast cars so that we don't get caught. There is no one in vehicle showroom today. Let's rob the best vehicle. There's no one is vehicle showroom today. Let's get some fast vehicle for ourselves. I don't know. I'm going the right way. Okay. Good, good, good. Hold on, hold on. Gotta wait a little bit. I gotta go slow. No, no, no. Wait. I'm off track. I'm off track. Okay, there's a military man. Sneak up, sneak up. Get out of my way. Let's get it. Let's stop, boys. Get out! Why are you walking so slow? Why are you walking in place, actually? That's not a fast car. That's gonna be really fast. Sure. Why would I skip? I'm interested in this. It's actually a storyline. I like it. We gotta hit this military person. No, I couldn't hit him. Boom! That was tough. Can you stop right here? Oh my gosh, don't get, hope we don't get shot. It's a popo! Run! What? It's a popo! Run! Oh my gosh, we made it just in time. Dude, this is actually high. A lot of cash has arrived in the bank yesterday. It's the best time to rob before money goes out. Got anything to say? Myself, me, myself, and I. A lot of cash has arrived in bank. Oh wait, I think they just it just says the like whatever they said, but like in the thing. See view. So we're gonna skip those little things because they don't say any. They don't say anything more. Ah, back. Oh wait, we can just go through that. Boom, boom, boom. Make sure not to hit the horsey. Nay! Nay! Skirt! Let's go. I'm actually cooking. Hey! Say, that looks kind of like me. Oh no, there's an invisible wall. Skirt! No, it doesn't matter. The police got cut off by the bridge. The bridge saved our lives. Move! You trying to? Oh my god! Well, that's kind of your fault. I saw. I think I broke. There's a popo! Run! Run! No, 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 no. Sorry. Excuse me. Don't sue me, please. Oh wait, the National Bank. Whoopsies. Swift that. Oh yeah. Oh crap. Listen, these. Go, 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 go. Are they not scared by freaking? We have AK-47s. Oh my god. Let's go. What are we doing? Give us. Wait or help me. Help me? Police safely. Slowpoke. I'm not even escaping from anybody because basically nobody's chasing me. Ah! Who picked out this car? Whose idea was it to rob this car and not the freaking Ferrari in the corner? I'm even gonna talk about the freaking Ferrari. Um, they just got in a bad accident, so I think we're covered. Stop right here! Stop right. Boom! Hey! Yes, sir. Most expensive horse has arrived in village. Yes, it has great value in black market.